face, it hurts. So when we first got here about an hour ago, it was quiet, it wasn't even raining. Then it turned into freezing rain, and now you can see these roads are covered with snow. This is usually a very popular place for sled riding, but obviously no one is out right now. Now, Kenton County has issued a level 1 snow emergency, so your best bet right now is to stay inside, stay safe. Crews have been out all morning and all day plowing the roads. Of course, they are ready for it now, and then at midnight they will shift and bring new crews in until the morning. Reporting for the Now Cincinnati, I'm Ashley Zilka.
Wow, I mean, goodness.